And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
I want to go through temperatures right now this morning here at 5:15, 37 degrees in Lafayette, 34 Monticello, 33 up in Morocco, 36 in Kokomo. But certainly feeling pretty cold out there as well. We have a pretty stout westerly wind across the viewing area, reaching 19 to some areas 25 miles per hour in location. So pretty windy out there, and that's going to make it feel pretty cold. It feels like 21 in Morocco, feels like 25 Attica, 24 in Frankfurt. So bundle up, feels like 19 Logan Sports. So it's cold out there thanks to an upper level low just to our north over the Lake Michigan area near Green Bay, Milwaukee. This is kind of bringing in that cooler air. We'll change this wind to more west-northwesterly, pushing in that cold air, but notice the precipitation. Have snow off to the west in Wisconsin, northern Illinois, some scattered drizzle, some light rain, even some flurries on radar this morning, so be prepared for that. When you step out the door, it's certainly going to be a shock to the body when you get outside. So latest radar right now, seeing some light drizzle up into Miami County, Howard County near Kokomo, Rushville, Frankfurt. Even here in Lafayette, I was driving in this morning and noticed a little bit of drizzle. So throughout the day, that's going to be the case. It's going to be mostly cloudy. It's going to be windy, cold, and we're going to be having just areas of possibly some flurries, some grapple, which is kind of like what I like to call dip and dot precipitation here for us, but otherwise sleet, some light rain possible throughout the day. Here's lunchtime. And then as we get toward about 5 o'clock this evening, we'll start to see clouds retreat to the north and east, and the precipitation following that, as well as the low pressure works off to the east. But we will clear out very nicely tonight. Tomorrow looks very sunny. 40 degrees by 3 o'clock, and we'll stay likely in the lower 40s for the rest of the day with mostly cloudy conditions. Maybe a few peaks of sun here by 6, 7 o'clock tonight, as we'll have a sunset around 8:30 this evening. We could very well see more clearing off to the southwest, but throughout the day expect scattered rain, sleet, maybe a little bit of snow, grapple mixed in for us. But tomorrow, look out for some frost. It's going to get pretty cold since we're going to have less winds. Very clear skies, a lot of sunshine tomorrow, 59 degrees. A little bit below normal, but overall, though, we'll still have the west-northwest wind. But I do want to hurry up and show you ahead here. Thursday evening, we'll have another cold front, could bring us more storms Thursday night. And then another system works in here by Friday night into Saturday, giving us pretty wet into the work week and into the weekend. So lots to get to here on your 10-day forecast. 60 near 59 tomorrow, 76 Wednesday, 79 for the upcoming day on Thursday. So that's going to be a pretty nice day, but we will be watching for that cold front moving in. Could trigger a few storms with that. 63 on Friday, and then we'll ultimately get cooler after that next front moves in Friday into Saturday, 53 Sunday. And then we'll work back up in the 60s by the middle portion of next week, Joe.
All right, well, I know it was an action-packed weekend for both of us and probably for everyone out there enjoying that nice weather on Saturday. And obviously a little rainy yesterday, but you know, those 80-degree days that we saw last week, those are a thing of the past now.
Yeah, well, that's doing us a big favor. The ground temperatures are well above normal, so we're not looking at any impacts to travel, or if there's any accumulation, it's going to be very brief on elevated surfaces. But certainly just going to be a very cold and windy day today.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you, Dave.